Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on distance, speed and time. There are many objects on Earth that travel at different speeds. The following are some examples from slowest to fastest. Normal walking speed, the speed of a car, the speed of a plane, the speed of a rocket. Normal walking speed might be 6 kilometers per hour. Car speed could be 80 kilometers per hour. Plane speed could be 800 kilometers per hour. Rockets can travel at speeds that are well over 5,000 kilometers per hour. Let's look at a very important formula. A very important formula that links distance, speed and time is the following. Distance equals speed multiplied by time. So in short, D equals S times T. Let's look at some examples to see how we use this formula. Example 1. If a boy walks at 6 kilometers per hour, how far will he walk in 5 hours? So we want to find D, the distance. We have the speed and we have the time. So D equals S times T. D equals 6 because he walks at 6 kilometers per hour. That's the speed. And the time is 5 hours. So D equals 6 times 5. So D equals 30 kilometers. So he will walk 30 kilometers in 5 hours. Example 2. A car travels 320 kilometers in 4 hours. What is the speed of the car? It's a solution. Distance equals speed times time. That's speed multiplied by time. So 320 is the distance. We have to find the speed. And the time is 4. So 320 divided by 4 gives us S. And simple division will show us that the speed is 80 kilometers per hour. Because 80 times 4 gives us 320. Example 3. A train travels a distance of 540 kilometers with an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour. What time does it take to complete the journey? So we have distance equals speed multiplied by time. Now we have the number for distance. See that? And we have the number for speed. So we have to find the time. So 540 equals 90 times t. Now what do you multiply 90 by to give you 540? Well, 540 divided by 90 gives you 6. So it's 6 hours. 90 times 6 equals 540. So the time taken is 6 hours. So this video has looked at the important concepts of distance, speed and time, and we've seen the very important formula, distance equals speed multiplied by time, and we've seen some examples how to calculate each of those variables.